Hey YouTubers, Redneck Brian here. I have two cold starts for you. I'm going to do the 4,000 watt generator and the racer. Then I'm going to take the racer out for a romp. So obviously I can't video it because it's tough to drive with one hand on the camera and then one hand driving. So I would cold start the Onan, but battery's dead. And that little blue generator needs a fuel change still. So I just checked the Onan. The Onan has a completely dead battery. So it's not worth trying. See if this thing will come on. Yep, it's got power. Welcome. And static. No antenna. It's running off that battery right there. Those two batteries there that energize it, that one was the one in the Honda, and then there's another one behind it. They should be okay still. I gotta get some cleanup done up here. I got a new satellite dish going up for my building, so got it right there in that box. It's a HD dish, so I may videotape putting that up. It's going to replace that one right there, which is similar to a Star Choice here in Canada, or I think some DirecTV or Dish Nets are like that as well, that style. It's a triple LMB. Nothing wrong with it. I can't adjust it to do high def, so I'm going to swap it out. And what I'm going to do is adjust it the same way as that one right there is. That's a high def as well, so I'm gonna readjust it to that one. I tried to do this one like that, but it's really wide. It's about an extra 2 inches wider, so it comes into the tree whenever you try to do high def on it. So that is hopefully going to get done next week. So let's get back to the cold starts. I checked the battery on this, dead pretty much. So I'm gonna have to pull start it. And I was going to come out here and work on the electrical system on this, but I may or may not. I haven't decided. I have to get the charging system working, so it will charge the battery whenever it's running. So my hand straight on the muffler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so on and so forth. It's cold. I believe that's cold start on. Gas may or may not be on. Let's take a peek. As you can see, I got keys in it. Don't know if the gas is on that way or down. So let's try it. Too soon, but hey, 2 pulls. It's pretty damn good. First time ever cold starting this thing, so it didn't go too bad, really. See if we can get it to run properly. So whole thing of gas has just regular in it. Haven't put none of the new gas in it. Probably still has some of the original gas that came with it in it. yeah, my plan is to get rid of that entire side switch. Just use a key for everything on here, and then there'll also be the anti-theft feature, so it'll help. But hey, if someone does steal it and they want to get running, they'll get it running. So yeah, that's pretty much it with this guy. It runs beautifully. Heck, in -6, it's pretty good. Let's uncover this guy. I am getting some new stuff for this. I just ordered it on eBay last night. And I'm not going to say nothing about it, just that. I ordered some stuff for it. If you guys remember what this is going to be called from my previous video, you'll probably be able to figure out what I'm getting. Move the tarp. But yeah, I'm going to be taking off all the mower, everything that deals with the mower. And it's coming off soon. It's going in the shop very, very soon. So, and also this side pedal here is coming off, and it's getting clutch. So yeah. That's gonna do in this video. I'm gonna do another one. Yeah, I will do another one. So let's start it up. We'll do one more. I want to start this up, finish up this video, then do one more quick video on this. So yeah, talk to you guys. So yeah, sorry, I'll start it. Take the can off. That is a chicken noodle soup can. Cold. And I'll stick my hand on the main exhaust pipe. As you can see from the snow, it was cold, and all the tarp goo that got caught there. So I'll use the generator as a tripod, the gen pod. There we go. Let's see what happens. Oh. Let's first see if it's Toyota. Nope. Wow, I'm getting lucky today. They're both two-pole wonders. Pretty good. See if I can see them. I'll show you the original tires for that over here at my scrapyard. These are all from tractors I have scrapped. Those two little wee ones right there on top are the ones for that. I'm actually going to probably bring them in the house. Let them warm right up. I'm pretty sure it's them. Yeah, it's them. Or it's that one right there. I don't think it's that one. No. That's a, no idea what that tire is. And that one there I think is from the racer. Sorry, not the racer, the go-kart lawnmower. So yeah, want to buy a bike? Junk. Some aluminum back there, lawn boys. Some lumber, antennas, another tire, junk fish tank, junk carburetors. Heck, that was, like I said before, two-pole wonders, done both of them. This one stayed running, and this one ran and died. I'm pretty sure this is a 9-horse on this generator. I'm near positive. I saw another video on a generator earlier. It was a 5,000 watt. It had a 10-horse, but it was a brakes. I think this is a Honda or a clone. I have no idea. So, okay, I'll talk to you guys all later. Keep it redneck, and please subscribe and comment. And hopefully I can get a clutch done on this thing soon. I can take you guys for better drives on this. Hopefully while the snow is still here. That's when this thing is the best, is in the snow. So, bye for now.